So guys, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can activate the send now and pay later option in your Botim app. I'm going to show you the full process of how to apply for this Botim loan regardless of your salary. And let's get started. Open your Botim application and make sure you have already created your account and verified with your Emirates ID. If you don't have an account yet, the video on the screen will guide you. So once your account is ready, simply tap on the send now and pay later option. For some of you guys, this option might not be visible at your dashboard. All you have to do is come here and tap on the more button. Find the send now and pay later option. Tap on the plus button to add it onto your dashboard. Tap on send now and pay later. You will see that this loan will be instantly approved in minutes. No documents required. And also, this Botim loan has flexible repayment terms, and here is exactly how it works. For example, if you take a loan of 1,500, you can pay it back in 6 months by paying 311 dirhams installments every month. You also have the option to make the loan repayments in 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, and 2 months. So basically, this will depend on you to choose how you want to repay back this loan. Now, to proceed, tap on the activate SNPL. Remember, this stands for send now and pay later. So go ahead, select your monthly income. As you can see on the screen, we have different income ranges. Even if your salary is less than 1,000, you can still apply for this loan. Here on the next step, you have to provide 2 reference contacts. Enter here the full name of your friend, their mobile number, and the relationship you have with them. Again, do the same with the second reference, and then tap on the confirm button. Once you have confirmed this information, next is to confirm your email. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number that is linked to your Botim wallet. Go ahead, enter your OTP. Wait for a few minutes while the Botim app checks for your credit eligibility. Congratulations, you will see this message. You have a credit of 2,700 dirhams. You can go ahead and use this credit to send money right now and repay back in up to 6 months. So, to use this credit to send money, come and tap here on the use it now button. As you can see on the screen, your SNPL is ready and has been approved, meaning that your Botim loan is already activated. All you have to do now is come here down and select the repayment card, the card that you will use to repay back this loan. Once that is done, tap on the use now. Go ahead and complete your international transfer using this Botim loan. Remember, the repayment terms is 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, even 2 months. That will depend on how fast you want to repay back this loan. So guys, this is how you activate your Botim SNPL money transfer.